Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, log into your OKX account. You can use either the app or the website, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll find your USDT balance. Next, click on Withdraw. This will start the withdrawal process, but before you proceed, you'll need the Binance deposit address. So, open up your Binance account. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, and select USDT. Make sure you choose the correct network. It could be TRC20, ERC20, or another. Copy the deposit address. Now, switch back to OKX. Paste the Binance address into the withdraw field. Double-check to ensure the networks match. You don't want your funds going into the void. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review all the details carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll need to complete any additional security checks like two-factor authentication or email verification. Finally, keep an eye on the withdrawal status on OKX. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. Check your Binance account to see if the USDT has arrived. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.